Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Finding the mass of a block on a ramp is easy if you know the trick. Let's solve this physics problem together right now. First, we look at the forces acting parallel to the inclines. Since the system is at rest, the gravitational components pulling each block downward must be perfectly equal to each other. Next, we substitute our known values into the equation. We have a 10 kilogram mass at 30 degrees on the left and an unknown mass at 45 degrees on the right. Finally, solve for the unknown mass by dividing the left side by the sine of 45 degrees. This gives approximately 7.5 kilograms. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps.